Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G52, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings, scroll all the way down to system, select reset options, and then here tap on the erase all data factory reset. Now this will give us an info what this process removes. So as you can see, it removes things like Google accounts, though this is not very accurate. It logs out of them. The accounts will still exist, and you can log into them on a different phone, or maybe even this one if you want to later on. Probably what you might actually care about would be things like music, photos, and user data. Those are the things that you'd usually have on your phone that you downloaded or just imported to your device, and if you just format it without backing it up, you might actually lose some of these things. So do make a backup copy before you begin, otherwise, like I said, you might lose the data. And below that we have also the accounts that it will be removing, or more like logging out of. So anyway, from here let's select erase all data if you have already backed up your device or if you don't want to, and then select again erase all data, which will begin the process. Now this entire thing will take approximately like 2 to maybe 5 minutes tops, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.